Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, September the 26th, 2020. We have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, a tectonic number 2, a binary number one, yes, and a binary number 2. All right. The first one I will start is a Sudoku with a 1 star. Let me position the camera. All right. And this one will be number 1624. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers, printed digits. So let me check, because I know there are 27 in the 1 star. We have here 5 plus 2 7 plus 3 is 10, 13 plus 4 is 17 plus 2 is 19 plus 2 is 21 plus 3 is a 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. Correct. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are 3, the 5, and the 7. 357, and look, we have a 57 here, so no 57 in this box. The 57 goes in these 2 boxes. 57, we see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this column for the number 3. Alright, and now 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes there, 6, no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number here in this row, the second row, is the number 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. I cannot fill this yet. The 1 and an 8 is missing. Oh well, we have an 8 in this big square. So no 8 in this box, so the 8 goes there, and the 1 goes here. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then let me see. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 9, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then I cannot continue with the third row. Let me see to another. Yeah, we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then, how about this row? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this big square. So no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 4 and a 7, we see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. These 2 boxes in this row should be the 5 and the 2. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And oh, no. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. Only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1, alright. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number 3, 6, 7? Let me see. 5, 3. Yeah. 7. Alright. Difficult part now. 7, 3. 3 in this column. 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then 1, 6 and then 9. Alright. How about the number 'Let me think. 1, 2, 3. The 1 is missing in the first column. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I cannot fill this yet. We have a 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. 2, 3. 7 is missing. Alright, 7, 6, and a 3. 7, 7. Yeah. How about the number 8, 8? These two numbers should be the 1 and the 8. 6, 6, 3, 3, 7, 7, 6, 6. I need pairs. Important, I need pairs. 9, 9. Where is the needle? Let me mark some boxes. 1 and an 8. 1 and an 8. 8. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here. Could be there. Same. No. Not the same. 1, 2, 8, and the 6 is missing. 6, 6, 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the middle column. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in the last column. The only 2 places for the 2 should be in these 2 boxes. 2 in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. The 1. These 2 boxes in this column should be the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7. In this column, we see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. That means 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 7. We see here the 7 and the 3, so no 7 and the 3 in this box. The 7 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 7 and the 3, so 1 box left for the 2. These 2 boxes should be the 8 and the 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column. The only place for the 8 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. Let me mark them. That means 1 box left in the second column should be the number 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this is going to be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in the middle, a row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, so marked. Yes, 2 is marked, so the 2 goes here and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be in 1. 1 box left in this last column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9 and 6. How about 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 1. Finish in 15 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. I will continue with a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.